Welcome to 2026. I started a new channel. Don't worry, this YouTube channel isn't going anywhere. It's going to remain the same. You're just going to get extra content from me. My new channel is Tara Space. There's a space in between Tara and Lee, and then the number 2, Tara Lee 2. So if you search Tara Lee 2, it should come up on YouTube. It wasn't at first. People were having issues finding the channel, but it should be popping up now. So the reasons I created a second channel, let's talk about it. First off, this channel, as you guys know, is a DIY how-to channel, specifically about how to make personal care products. I really like making skincare products, body scrubs, and like body washes, face washes, stuff like that. That's what I'm known for. And that is mainly what I want to keep on this channel. When people see I post a new video, they expect it to be some kind of formula, some kind of recipe, or just some kind of like how-to of crafting a cosmetic. I want people to know what to expect every single time I post on this channel. I want people to not be surprised when I post a video that doesn't necessarily have to do with crafting your own cosmetic and then them just unsubscribe and then completely forget about who I am. I don't really show my face in a lot of my recipe videos. So then when I post a video with my face in it, people might be like, who the heck is this person? So I decided to create a second channel to post basically anything that isn't a formula, recipe, or like a tutorial in creating skincare products. If I'm making a video on how to sanitize equipment, that is still something that would be on this channel. Even though it's not like a DIY recipe, it's still how to, and it's still helpful enough in the cosmetic crafting world. Essentially, if I can create a blog on it over on Patreon, because over on my Patreon, I create blogs that go along with all the recipes and formulas here on this channel. If I can't make a blog on it, it won't go on this channel. So anything else random like daily vlogs, or I just want to talk about how Tree Hut rebranded their cosmetic line, those will be on my second channel, because all that still has to do with like the skincare beauty world. And honestly, I have so much to say about the skincare and beauty world. I have been in it for like 10 years. Even prior to doing YouTube, I was a cosmetologist. So I have like a lot of experience in this world. And also a lot of you guys want to see like vlogs from me, or just, I don't know, just like the background of being a YouTuber. A lot of people want to see that. So that kind of stuff is going to be on my second channel. Another thing I want to do is I really want to establish a lot of trust in this channel. I think I already have a lot of trust between me and the viewer here on my channel specifically. If I recommend a supplier to you guys or an ingredient, typically you guys really trust my recommendations, and I want to keep it that way, and I want to continue to build more trust. So I don't want to use like clickbaity titles to get you guys to click on videos. Of course, as YouTube grows, it kind of just seems like a little bit of a clickbaity title is almost like normal now, but I want it to be like, you read a title, you know what you're gonna get. I want to keep the trust between me and you. That doesn't mean I'm gonna be clickbaiting on my second channel, but you know, people use exaggerated titles all the time on YouTube. It is just the reg. They even do it in newspaper articles. So yeah. Also another thing, I can't help it, but the natural skincare, green, non-toxic skincare movement is just continuing to grow. And when I am 100% real with myself and I think, why is somebody going to get into making their own cosmetics? It's because they don't trust what's in their store-bought cosmetics, or they want to make their own natural cosmetics. That's just the reality of it. I know there's other reasons why people might want to start making their own cosmetics, but when I think of the majority of people, they're like, okay, I want to make like a natural soap. I want to make a face wash that's with natural ingredients. So I really want to try to focus more on what somebody would want when they're just starting out and they don't really want to get into this seriously. Obviously, we know the economy is not in a good place in the US. People really aren't looking to drop hundreds of dollars into a new hobby. So I really want to focus this year specifically on like budget-friendly stuff and stuff for beginners, stuff where the average person can see this and be like, oh yeah, I can save money making this. That's what I want to do with this channel. And of course, Patreon is going to remain the same, if not like more advanced content, because Patreon, I know this is where people who are really actually serious about formulating and actually want to know more. Because what I've noticed is when people come to my channel, their mind's already made up on what they want to do. They already know what they're wanting to make, and that is typically how they find me. So my channel, this one here, isn't meant to change your mind. I don't know, it's not meant to, honestly, this channel doesn't seem to drive up a lot of discussion. It's really people come, they get what they want, and they leave. They don't honestly want to hear my opinion. So if you want opinions from me, second channel. I really want this channel to just be more straightforward, to the point, and nothing like a video like this. This is like the opposite of what I plan on posting on this channel in 2026. But I really just wanted to kind of stand here and explain to you guys why I created a second channel and why I felt it was necessary for me. There's just been so many times where I've wanted to create a video or just literally go online and talk about something, but it just didn't feel right doing it on my main channel. So that's what the second channel is for. Also, I also recently came to the conclusion I really don't like making short form content at all. So I want to focus more on YouTube. So I made a second channel. I don't know if you guys will really be getting much short form content from me anymore. It's not fulfilling. I don't make money on it anyways. And I just hate how fast paced it is, and I can't really explain anything. So I don't like it. But yeah, that's about it. I really just want to get more real with this channel. Like, realistically, if someone's at home and they want to make something, like, how can I assist them? I have enough knowledge and experience that I should be able to really be able to like help out somebody who has no experience to make something like pretty decent. And that's the goal I want to do. I also like want to push you guys in the right directions of other people you can learn from who are actually professionals in the field, like Institute of Personal Care Science, or maybe like some educating people like Lab Muffin Beauty Science. Like, I'm still here to like recommend you guys like other places to continue to learn. Like, obviously, like, I don't know. I'm rambling a lot. That's all I want to say, or else I'm just going to keep rambling. I have some Vlogmas videos that I'm going to post that I never posted from Vlogmas first. And then we'll get into all my new ideas for this year. Okay, bye.
Also, don't forget to go over and check out my Patreon, where I post 2 exclusive videos every single month. So there is a ton of videos you can go over and binge watch for only $5 a month. Also, if you don't have access to Patreon in your country, you can sign up as a YouTube member instead. If you sign up for the $10 tier on my Patreon, you get a shout out for your small business. I'll have all these brands linked below. naturesmagicllc.com. From Dusk Soapery on Etsy, LloydCandleCompany.com, HB Royal Retreat Store on Etsy, NaturesFarmGirl.com, Let's Blend LLC, at Stardust Bath and Body, HempyGirl.com, ShopLevi's.com, Owl and Lily over on Etsy, Skin Lounge Co. over on Etsy, BlackPetalBeauty.com, EmbraceBeautyEssentials.com, LegendaryBathandBody.com, AstariApothecary.com, Reviga Cosmetics here on YouTube, XoreBB.com, PardoNaturals.com, NaturalStatesSkin.com, TheNatureInUs.ca, NearCatalier.com. Use the code on the screen for 20% off. EarthAndAmberNaturals.com, SharkCityNaturals.com, DayToRelaxProducts.com, CrownedGloryLLC.com, LH Scented Soaps and More.com, JanaeRose.com, Health Nut Beauty on Etsy, VelvetTemptations.com, JourneyRoseBeauty.com, CHRBrands.com, Homestead Life Goods on Etsy, CanelaBathandBody.com, MadhouseMamaSoaps.com, XPO.com, Mystical Morning on Etsy, 7th House and Oak on Etsy, and MyCrownandGlory.com. Thank you so much for you guys' support. Without you guys over on Patreon, I wouldn't be able to do what I do, so thank you so much.